Good morning, Bexley Middle School students, and welcome back to the week. It's Monday, April 6th, the B day on your calendar. A couple of birthdays today. First of all, I missed Miss Brown this weekend, so happy birthday, Miss Brown. Hope you had a great one. It was beautiful weather. And today we have Christian and Peter. So happy birthday, guys. Hope you thoroughly enjoy your day. Um, have a beautiful day today. Recess time, it'll be in the 40s. Light jacket's all you're going to need. Should be dry until later this evening, maybe a little bit of precipitation overnight. But another nice day. Hope you're all getting outside and enjoying it. I also want to give a shout out to all our elementary students this week, kids at Cassingham, Maryland, and Montrose, celebrating their Spirit Week. And today is school colors, school spirit, and so I'm rocking my Bexley Middle School shirt. So shout out to all of you guys. Uh, very popular segment that I can see coming for us is Meme Monday. Our first winner, so to speak, on Meme Monday, Mr. Brashear, who works in our cafeteria and runs our Bexley Lunch Twitter account, sent in this great meme. I'm gonna assume that that means that the dogs thought my singing was so good they all just had to sit up and hear it. They did not want to miss those beautiful tunes. So look forward to more Meme Mondays. Thank you all for the submissions. We're gonna hang on to those, and the committee will keep looking at those each week, finding some of the top gems. Our top stories for this week. First of all, no school this Friday, so a 4-day week, and then you will not have classes on Friday. Today, 2:30 p.m., we have our Quarter 3 recognition assembly. You'll be able to find the link for that in the Canvas notes below, so make sure you click on that as soon as it's available and check out the great assembly the teachers have put together. Student survey, we want to get some of your input on how things are going, find out what's working, what's not working as we wade through this. And so please check out that survey link and give us your feedback. And we are kicking up our second week of distance learning here in Bexley City Schools. So look for your teachers to just keep getting better and better as they go. Couple of things you might want to know. Distance learning, again, middle school students, 2.5 to 3.5 hours per day. That works out to about 30 minutes per course. If you're finding that you're spending a lot more time than that, please email your teachers and let them know what's got you hung up. If it's got you hung up because you're trying to do 30 minutes of school and play video games at the same time, TikTok at the same time, whatever it is the kids do these days, that doesn't really count as going over 30 minutes. But if you're putting in a solid 30 minutes on a class and it's still taking you more time, please let the teachers know. Again, you don't have to do your classes at a certain time or a certain order, but you do want to check Canvas every day, the module sections, to make sure that you know what is expected of you for that day. Also, your Gmail. Make sure you're emailing your teachers for help using that great etiquette we learned about last week. One of the most common questions that we're running into is kids not being able to access certain things. Please make sure you're using a Chrome browser. That should simplify all the things inside the Google ecosystem. And then there's two places you're going to want to look in that top right corner. First of all is the browser login. So please check that you are logged into the browser, even though I misspelled it there, and make sure that your beautiful face is showing up there. And if my face is showing up, something's gone horribly wrong. Also, make sure that you're logged into the Google Docs um, on the lower icon. So when you see your picture in both those places, that means that you should have full access to everything. If not, click on the picture and that should let you in for access. Our final thought for today comes from Oprah Winfrey, one of the most successful talk show hosts in history, an actress, a media executive, just an overall super successful person. She says, don't worry about being successful, but work toward being significant, and the success will naturally follow. As we want to see out of each of you today, find a way to make a difference, be significant in the life of another person, and success will come. And whatever that looks like, that is success for you. All right. that brings today's announcements to an end. Stay classy and stay 6 feet apart. We'll see you back here tomorrow, Bexley.